officially blind.
I'm officially blind.
Officially blind.
Blind.
I'm not deaf.
I'm not deaf.
I'm not dumbo.
You are not dumbo.
Just officially blind.
Just officially blind. It's not like you cannot really see or look, but you just choose to be blind. Sorry. Eh? Why? It's moving it.
It's a sense of comedy.
Why did you guys tilt us to one side of the skinny?
They all shift us, go on.
Why did you shift us to one side? Can you please put us in the center?
Maybe bicycle they show. Okay, now they got us. They won't come at us just now. Hello.
Hi.
Say that the bicycle be your bolo.
Do you think people at home are officially blind?
So the bicycle now be your bolo now, Abi? Okay, no problem. We now want make Okada be under presenter.
You people have joined bad gang.
And they touched the list. Anyway, Ogbolo, Mayowa, una welcome. After Salah break, everybody welcome. Back to work. Una we get work. Back to work. Una we the house. Na Salah break continue.
At the end of the day. You know, this morning I was doing something on my Insta Snap, and I said to them, I said, this weekend, na long weekend, you know, and everybody in their house, they jollificate, they happy. But now that this thing is now back,
yes.
Abba, traffic wound you. That's what I told them. I said, look, traffic is going to wound you, whether you like it or yes, because one week they can't work Monday, Tuesday, when I'll be like, oh my God, you guys work on public holidays, my God, I don't believe it. Now all of us, the same boss now carry us.
Yes.
I just want to tell you that the traffic that's going to wound you is something like a dream press up.
Yes.
Yeah.
We are back to work.
We're back.
Break! Before anybody will die for back. Break! They shout since only lungs on the cut. Break.
Oh yeah, break upon it. So how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm not exactly happy. Ask me why.
Why, oh, why?
Kenny can't tell me if let one person can. Oh wow, it's matching. See that?
Yeah.
It's matching. Wow. Let one person cannot even pity us.
6.
Oh, that. Let one person cannot even pity us and say, Ogbola Mayowa.
No. I the best for fans.
I like what you do.
I the best for fans.
Here is some salaram.
No, I the best.
Here are some salah delicacy. You understand? Even if it's small chops, we didn't see anyone. Is this life? Is this how we are? No, let's discuss.
Crayfish.
Let's discuss. Is this how we are? Is this what we mean to you people? We don't even mean anything to you.
At all.
You can't even. You can't.
I love the show. I love the show. I love you, Mayowa. I love you, Ogbolo.
You know?
Nothing.
2678 Etimiyan Crescent, Victoria Island, Lagos. That is the address. Not even one thing. Come on. Why? No, really, why? Is this fair? It's not.
And it's not the right problem they give us.
That is the thing. Today again, we have your problems. We have them all written down here. Problems to give to you that we have to solve with you with our spiritual eye. But you cannot even give us physical food to fund the spiritual eye. Why? I'm upset.
Mayowa.
Yeah?
You know, this life is give and take.
It's give and take.
It's give and take.
It's give and take.
Now people celebrate. When they bring the joy and the laughter.
You cannot even something like
you cannot even say, okay, take o.
Yes.
If na ogede, safe, chop.
It's not fair. When you do this to us, it makes us feel bad. It makes us feel like we mean nothing to you.
Yes, now that's where we are right now. So now I can't expect me to come form laughter and everything, bring joy to the world, and meanwhile and everything. Come on.
It's okay for those.
Well, we are just who we are.
Well, we will do it for people that have intention to bring it, but they are far. So we will do it for your intention.
Anyway, well, they look, sha.
But it's not really. I just want to tell you that it's not fair. These two people do us. It pain us to our mitochondria under our toe.
It was a non-Salah meat Salah break.
I don't know. I don't know. Why?
Throughout the Salah break.
Throughout.
There was no Salah meat.
Not even one.
If now you go happy.
Will you be happy?
When you are going around and making people happy.
And they cannot even happy you with myth.
You're very myth. You cannot myth. You cannot myth our. You cannot even myth our needs.
I didn't expect this from you.
It's not fair.
It's not.
It's not fair.
It's not. No,
oh God.
No, don't let it touch you. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget.
They pay me for here. They pay me for here.
The side of your arm.
It's paining me here.
Yeah.
It's not fair.
See, even here, come.
You can see it. It does swell up. You just see. This is the reaction to it. No Salah meat in the Salah break.
It's not even good. It's not good. Tunde Raji,
Anyway, she be na problem won't read now.
We'll read it. No problem. We'll do it because of God.
Oh yeah, let us read.
I have been in a relationship, like I've been in a relationship with you people, and you cannot even think to boost our relationship with Salamit, but it's okay. I have been in a relationship for years, like me. Due to my strong love, I sponsored the girl throughout her days while she was learning hairdressing. I even paid all expense when her freedom was organized. After about 1 year of opening a very big shop for her, she told me I am too old for her and she wants to leave me. Please, Mayowa, what can I do? I am so confused. This person, I have sold all I have to. I gave you, if I give my love to you, I'm not gonna let you go. I never did pasa, baby, I wanna let you know. What am I gonna tell you?
Swear for the girl.
No need. No need. You see, it's very simple. There are some people in this life that didn't really know the extent of what you have done in your life. You see, I want to tell you something. As a woman being, if you don't know this thing today, not be everybody where you date with you go end up with. Some people, your mission for their life now to help them, give them a push. Some people, now to come better your life, waka comot. If it be, say, that girl feel not even good for you at the end of the future.
We know why that one, no?
No,
we know,
see, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
If
okay,
you know,
wait.
Make you know that know the no before I start to spend my money.
Make I tell you something.
Know the no. I know be your Jesus Christ. I know be your papa. What's happen? No, I can't spend money because tell me say.
Let me tell you something.
I'm too old for you.
Okay,
Not serious.
Hold on. As the girl say, Uncle, you too old for me, I not do again. Maybe it's possible say before you send us this message, you don't beg her, you don't talk to her. And when we call her for phone, you don't beg, you don't talk to get everything. Make I ask you something. You that are saying, Uncle didn't know, Abi auntie know. Can you force it?
No, you know you force it.
No.
No,
see,
you know you force it.
Wait, let me ask you.
But that girl.
Wait, let me ask you. Anything I ask you, just answer straight to the point. Can you force it?
No.
You cannot force it. Which will you prefer? To let it go and find somebody who really love you, or to push out with somebody who don't like you at all. Or another person will come. Stop dwelling on the things that you have done and move on. It's not a good thing.
No.
Don't forget what they talk. It's not a good thing. What that girl do is punishable by law. It's not a good thing.
By hanging.
It's not a good thing. But what do you want to do? You want wicked them? Okay. Oh yeah, you want wicked them? What thing you want to do? You want burn down the shop when you open for them?
When women go they shout, some men they will say, yeah, bring the key. I know, bring the key. It me say, if you know, say, as woman, you know, say, more man is spend for your head. It is spend for your head, and you know, say, you know, they go anywhere with this thing. No collecting money. That thing will affect you later for future.
I know.
Repercussion they happen.
Of course.
Table they turn around, though.
Of course,
you
but
go,
the thing where they
suffer for the man's sweat too. You go suffer around.
Of course, but the thing where they say the girl know they hear us. Now the man they ask us waiting in good.
No, at the same time, the same sort of they read this thing so that people then when they also watch will learn too.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
If right now, no fit convince the girl say can't they force to marry the guy or can't accept the guy or anything. Not. But me and they take him back to say okay, if you not say this guy, you not go ahead with that. Why they should chop him money? Why they collecting money? Now the guy don't put in before man go to spend for woman. Before man go to invest for woman. Not be just spend. Now invest. So now nothing like returns. The man don't invest. You can say, okay, thank you very much for your investing. You don't push up for me. Bye. Yeah. My sister, you got one.
At the same time,
they for that, you know.
At the same time, women make una dey careful. Some men they wicked, they fit kill you.
This thing, people they
pour themselves acid because of this matter. Again, to the men, if you don't see green sign, you self slow down.
So not the green sign.
If you don't see green sign, load up. You don't say he get as girl go do. You go reach one, you self go know. 1 or 2 person go down they tell you say, Oga, this particular girl. You don't understand? You don't the
so more than us know, girls they do bad though. It's not they shall say men, they do this, men, they do this, men, they do this. She been at the year now.
But you know another situation video. Another situation video. If it possible, say all the years when he did with this guy, she did faithful to the guy, she did with the guy, she actually loved the guy. Feelings fit change you.
Why feelings go change?
Feelings, I'm gonna not talk like that. Feelings they change.
Why feelings?
Things they change feelings. Or God not talk like that.
Anyway, make I talk my own story because me I know. As far as you don't, if your feelings change, it mean your feelings to collecting the money self change. Now she be just open shop for you. Why the feelings no change? And you say, okay, baby, because my feelings wait now, because my feelings change. Let my feelings towards collecting your money to change. Make that self change. Then no collect the key for the shop or no collect the shop where they open for you. Then when you see your feelings change. Because you're not supposed to be, right now, in a large way, you're indebted to the guy. Because the guy don't carry everything, say, give, say, okay, because of your happiness. Now you can't say you just want stroke, come out. So making yourself cross leg, stroke, come out to clap for yourself.
Oh, wow.
So
last, we still never tell the guy what he go do.
The guy?
Last.
No, bros, no worry, God they punish. That's thing I just know. People they pay for their sins, so people they pay for things. It go do happen to her.
What if this guy they exaggerate? What if he no do rich as in toxic?
If one they do what if for all the story what they read, that means no go read anything.
Abi? So we could just follow the one way.
Follow the one way.
Okay, okay.
If auntie get another story to talk based on the same thing, send your own. Maybe the guy they beat him, we don't know. But we cannot say.
But still on still, uncle. Have a heart of God. Leave him.
Before we go that break, make I talk my own this thing. My father is in his late 70s and a strong addict, late 70s, and a strong addict to smoking and beer. Please help me chook mouth for this matter. How can I stop him from this bad habit? Pray for him. You know if you stop him. 70-something years, don't they smoke? Don't they drink beer? See, 70-something years, you use all that to they train you. You know if you stop him. Now prayer remain. Because anytime from now, you can just go meet God now.
Pray for him and try to avoid to keep anything alcoholic or toxic for the house.
Pray for him. Because you don't become addict. Heavy addict. Now prayer now.
If you say the thing don't affect in health,
you just suppose you reach one place where they smoke and drink. You can't become their normal
life.
Dose.
Yeah.
So if they don't consider cigar and that beer, they'll come sick. So if you don't reach some kind of place for them, you just pray for them, say, God, make God your change one day. But for you say you won't stop them, you cannot. All right? Now bad addict.
If you give your love to me.
Break now. Break. Oh yeah, go break. We can never drink water before you faint.
All right, welcome back. Okay, we still on top of matter. Upon say una no give us meat.
Yes, I think that is going to be the title of this
for the next 1 week.
No, that will be segment title of this.
On top una matter.
On top una matter.
On top una matter.
On top una, welcome to On Top Una Matter.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
New name from today.
Yes.
Okay. I like this our show. We go just wake up one day just give a name.
No, we dey say we dey let them they know say now all of us they do this show.
Yeah, all of us.
Not be just say we just now you're not for house they do say.
It's as a combination of you and us make us. Okay. I have been married for 15 years with no issue. My parents, they put pressure on me to take another wife. My ear don't full. I don't tire. But I really, really love my wife. Waiting I go do.
Come again.
He don't marry for 15 years. Yes. No child. In parents don't put pressure on him to marry another wife because they won't carry grandchild. But Ogbola Mayowa, he don't know what to do because he really, really love his wife.
I'm not a married man. So to a large extent, I'm not fit to talk. But if I find myself in that kind of situation, God forbid though, I'm not going to say because my parents told me I can go marry another wife. Say no say to marry another wife, another responsibility. You think that joke? If that one come, Pele no come, I'll marry another one. I'm just saying.
What's the possibility that another child will come when you marry another one? Won't marry now will born. Maybe not the man even get the problem. He no fit give. So is marrying another woman the solution to the problem? No. Anyways, waiting me I go talk. Be say you see these kind of things is very touchy and a decision of you as a man because nobody go help you protect your family and your wife. Yeah. Now you go stand up for them.
Exactly.
So it depends on waiting you want to do. You know they're easy. 15 years is a long time not to have a child after marriage, really. But
adopt.
But there are several other wins of having children. Gone are the days where we say, Nati, you get belly, you can do surrogate, you can IVF, you can different ways to get picking these days. Different medical ways. Yes. And you know go tear your pockets, actually, to get picking these days. So, but if you've tried everything and you still want to stick with your wife because of the love you have for her, please, by all means, I mean, it is your decision, really.
But really, Sha, so now they think this thing, if they come marry down and join the woman, how she would they feel?
Well,
how she could feel? No be joke.
You know, she's
how she could feel? Say okay.
A woman,
say
she
okay,
no go fit talk.
because I not feel born for you.
She no go talk anything because for some women go feel say it better make another one come than make them pursue me come for husband house because she go to think and say people everybody go know say that because I no feel born. You know understand?
But who can get this? Because for this thing now, saying that she no feel born. I be the man I know if he give.
I be like say they go hospital, 2 of them, doctor say them they okay. It dey happen.
So prayer day. Well, I know we know you're going to do pastor and pastress, you know, but
whatever God you believe in, I'm sure that he can rescue both of you. Because the thing with them, you say, you know, say 2 things they always fear woman to pursue her for husband house. You see, it is easy for woman to say, why you come out your husband house? Oh, my husband they beat me. Why you come on my husband? My husband cannot take care of me. I work. You go still spend the money. You go chop the money. It dey easy. But 2 things, you know, they easy. Make woman talk say I come out because I know if he born, or then catch me with another man. Those 2 things are the woman go die, pass, make the. Do you understand? Even the one where they do one, she go still do cover her tracks, so that nobody go. You don't understand? So. You know, those kind of things then, but this is a hard nut to crack.
But these days too, I don't see people then will tell you, say, go adopt first. That first picking go open road for that picking to come. I don't see them happen several times. Now that moment when they can't go adopt one picking, can't they take care of that particular one?
After all, Yoruba gets something where they talk. They go say, the head of a child is called another child come.
You understand? So sometimes that one they work, you know, they can start with adopting. That one, I don't hear women talking plenty. You understand?
But you know, say again, family depend on the family. Some family go tell you, say, God forbid, it's not our blood. How come? No, it dey.
Say now the family now raised. Well, I don't know, maybe now the kind how me I take grow, and thank God for my kind family, you know. But for me, to an extent, you get where family get mouth reach for your marriage. They don't feel just overtake everything. They tell you what to do left and right as man. No. You get where family get mouth reach
because you're about to start your own as well.
Because now your own life, now your own. If they had it right, you say everything too right. Make them go face their own. I mean.
Face your work.
Before when Baba go faint for back, make I read this one. You're gonna shout one kind of shout. I they hear in Britain. They had.
It is loud.
Sounds funny, but my husband and I are having big issues in this area.
Okay.
My husband likes the lights to be on when we sleep in the room, and even during.
Okay.
For me, I hate it and can't stand it. Sometimes I have to go and sleep in the parlor just because of this. Please, what can I do?
Oh,
I don't want him looking outside.
Oh, come on. That's not even an issue. Okay, well, I go tell you what.
As a married woman that you are.
As a married woman that I am.
Because small thing, and they spoil marriage.
There's a small butu, and they make bum smell.
Yes.
You understand? I will tell you what. For starters, me, personally, I no fit sleep. You know, I no fit sleep if there's any atom of light. If I see small ray of light like this, I no go fit sleep. Everywhere has to be dark before I go fit sleep well. But now understand, you know, when I go talk about this thing,
sure pass.
you go need to talk. Both of una go under. Sometimes he will learn to cope to sleep without light, and you will also learn to cope to sometimes with light. The man wey be I marry, you no wan know whether you don't sleep with light or without light. As they enter like this, you go on all the light. Like 4 bulbs in my room, you go on all the 4 at once. Now before I go there, now I go just carry duvet.
Just cover your head.
Cover my head. My sister, calm down. It's not really, you understand? If he likes to keep the light on, when maybe he wants to see your beautiful face, I mean, what's wrong with that?
Yes!
After all, you're his wife.
Because men like to see things.
Yes, maybe they want to see how you are saying, Daddy, I'm feeling you, Daddy. You know, come on. This is not an issue, Auntie. Come on,
The only question I go ask you,
don't ruin your marriage over no issue. Come on.
If because of a marriage now, say tomorrow now, they can't say your marriage not gonna work. They can't say what's happen.
He on the lights.
Yeah.
Auntie, talk to your husband. You know, he's your husband. You know how you hold him. You know where they touch and where they press.
Exactly.
You understand? So in that press moment, you talk to. Maybe you even talk when the lights they on.
Yes. You know what's come to us? We balance it in. Now, if you're on TV sleep. So there's half darkness.
There's half light.
You understand? So you put on TV. Off the remaining lights, so small lights day to favor Oga and small darkness day to favor you.
Yeah.
Now balancing the everything.
Now balancing.
You understand? Or nothing you can do.
Or you can even make it a very beautiful candle light every night.
Yes.
You know, tell him, baby, I have scented candles. Yes. Invest in your, you know. Yeah.
You understand? So you can balance. Half lights, half darkness.
No light.
Everybody do okay.
Nobody will have headache. Everything will be okay.
Laugh the laugh. If this will not solve the problem, madam.
Auntie, you self,
laugh the laugh.
They play and they go. Shy. All right, so follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia PADI, at Wazobia PADI. Follow us individually on Twitter at Mayowa Lambe, at Funny Ogbolo. Now, if you even check us out on top Instagram at Wazobia TVNG on Instagram, individually na Mayowa Ekpo and Ogbolo. On top YouTube, now youtube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for PADI PADI. Same thing for facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for PADI PADI. And we shall be at your service.
Peace, y'all. See you tomorrow. God bless you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.